Mr. Hustle 3000.
Ooh la la, I said ooh la la, ooh la la. What's up, YouTube? Today I'm taking you with me on my quest for platinum status.
The quest for
I'm
platinum
going to be doing
status
Doordash Earn By
started.
Time. I'm going to be sharing my Doordash strategies with you. So I dropped off my first order already. That was Southern Chicken and Waffles. That was about $14 for 35 minutes. The customer tipped about $4.50. I'm picking up my second order now. I just got the Panera. Let's go on inside. Alright, so I just took care of that Panera Bread order. Customer tipped about $3. I think that was like $9 pay for that order. So we're at like $23. After I dropped that off, I drove back to my work zone about 10 minutes away. And then as soon as I got there, I got a Chili's order. So I'm on my way to Chili's now. I checked the order details. I used my method to see the customer's tip before pickup, and it's at $14. Wow, I don't know how I got this one on Earn By Time, but I'll take it. So the quest for platinum status, I'm currently silver. In order to get platinum, I need to get my completion rate up to 95%. It's currently 92%. Now how that works is it goes based off your last 100 deliveries. Every time you cancel or unassign, your completion rate goes down. So in the last 100 deliveries, I canceled 8. That's why I'm at 92. So I gotta keep doing deliveries without canceling until the cancels fall off. I hope that makes sense. So once I get that up to 95, I'll be platinum. I want to get platinum because I want to have access to the Dash Now feature. I feel that'll be convenient. I'm gonna test it out. Also, I want to get platinum so I get priority for the high paying orders. Once the summer's over and things pick up again, I'm planning on going back to cherry picking. Alright, let's pick up this Chili's. Alright, so we just picked up that Chili's. When I got to Chili's, I was like 3 minutes before the pickup time. They told me they were finishing up the pasta or whatever. So they said about 5 minutes. It actually took about 10 minutes. Yeah, that's why I like Earn By Time too, because you get paid when you gotta wait for the food. But if you're in an area where half the orders have no tips, Earn By Time might not be worth it. You gotta test it out in different areas. Try to find the good areas for Earn By Time. It's definitely worth a shot though. This gets into my first DoorDash strategy, which is using Earn By Time to increase your stats. Mainly acceptance rate, because you're getting paid per hour. You'll have less orders that are horrible, just to keep it simple. For example, when you're not on Earn By Time mode, you could get offers for $2, $3. So yeah, that's the first DoorDash strategy. Use Earn By Time to increase your acceptance rate so you could hit the higher rewards tiers, get priority, get access to early scheduling, and to get access to Dash Now. So my quest for platinum status continues. I'll check my ratings after this drop off. Hopefully my completion rate will go up to 93. All right, took care of that Chili's order. I actually dropped it off like an hour ago, to be honest. After I dropped it off, I noticed my mic wasn't working when I went to record again. So I had to go back to my house real quick. I got my backup mic. So we all good. So after I went back to my house and got my backup mic, I did chill for a little bit. And then after I chilled for a little bit, I got an order for Jersey Mike's. We still on Earn By Time. So I just picked up that Jersey Mike's. And now we're on our way to the customer. So while I'm on my way to the customer, I'm going to go over strategy number 2. I went over this in a recent video, but we always have new audiences, and DoorDash kind of changed how it works. So I got to update y'all anyway. So when you get an order, before you pick it up, you want to click the circle at the top left hand side of the screen in your DoorDash app. Then it's going to bring up a more detailed screen, and you're going to check the This Offer section, and then it'll show you the customer's tip. So if it's $0 or $1, you might want to cancel. Just keep your completion rate above 90%. That's the minimum for my area. I'm pretty sure that's the minimum for most areas. As long as you keep it above 90, you could cancel the orders with no tips. I'll update you guys shortly. Okay, bada bing, bada boom, the realest in the room. No, so I just took care of that Jersey Mike's order. I pulled up at the wrong house, and then I seen the customer like waving me down at the next house. So I pulled up, rolled down the window, and he was like, "Did you get a tip in the app?" I should have said no, because they probably would have gave me some money, but I checked. I was like, "Yeah, there's a $3 tip. I appreciate it." And I handed him the food. So right after I dropped that off, I got a DB Kitchen order. Yo, 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 party people. I took care of that DB Kitchen order. So that was a little far out into the middle of nowhere. So I had to drive like 10 minutes until I got my next order. This one was actually a catering order. So I accepted the order from the pizza box, a pizza place in town. I checked to see the customer's tip, and it said $10.55, I believe. That's a great tip. Hopefully it's not too many pizzas. So I dropped off that order, the pizza box. It was 5 pizzas and like 12 cannolis or whatever. After I dropped off that order, I drove towards restaurants for like 5-10 minutes, and then I got a Dunkin' Donuts order. I checked if there's a tip on this order, and there's not a tip. But we're on our quest for platinum status. So I'm going to take one for the team. I checked the order details. She ordered just a wake-up wrap, like an egg and cheese wake-up wrap. It's 5 p.m. right now, but I don't judge. So I'm at Dunkin' now. I'm about to go pick this up. I'm actually like probably 200 feet away. I just got to pull to the other side of the parking lot. All right, so heading in to pick up the Dunkin' now. Let's do it.
if you find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your
Yeah. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder. What's up, party people? Waiting on that update. Here we dropped off that Dunkin' Donuts order. It was like to the second floor, but they ain't tipped, so I left it at the bottom of the stairs for them. Figure they might want some exercise, you know? Alright, so after I dropped that off, I had an errand I had to run. I paused DoorDash after I dropped off the Dunkin', and then I unpaused it once I got my package. And like a minute after I unpaused it, I got a McDonald's order. So I'm on my way to McDonald's now. I checked to see if the customer tipped, and they did tip $7. So this will be my last order here. I did check my stats. The completion rate is still at 92%. So hopefully it'll go up to 93 after this one. Looks like we'll have to continue the series. But stay tuned. Let's see if I can get it from 92 to 93 before I head home. My goal for the day was $100, and this order will get me over 100. So after I drop off this order, we'll recap. Tell me how you feel down in the comments. If you made it this far, drop a 10. We probably are like 10 minutes, so drop a 10 to let me know y'all rocking with me. So I just dropped off that McDonald's, Ronald McDonald, working for a clown. And customer tip like $7. I made like $12. Got me to 103 for the day. So I ended my dash after that. It said I worked 3 hours, 20 minutes was my active time. And I made 103. So that's $31 an hour. And I delivered a no tip order. But I got some really good orders. It's Sunday. Plus my stats are good. I'm getting a priority. I'm working the right areas. Location, timing, and your stats, very important. Oh, I gotta check my completion rate. Ooh. I'm gonna check it after I film this. I'll throw it on the screen. If I had to guess, I would say it's still 92. But we celebrating like it's 93 either way. When I was on my way to drop off this order, I called up Bubba Coos and I was like, hey yo, how much for some buffalo wings? 8 buffalo wings. They was like, we sell it 8 ounces. I'm like, alright, do your thing, hustler. They told me it was 8 ounces of boneless wings for like $7.99. So I was like, alright, cool. Let me get that with some buffalo sauce. Well done. So I'm about to go get my wings. Expect another video continuing this series soon. I'm talking probably, that's going to be my next video. I'm gonna try to rock with some ride-along videos. But yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to support the channel. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Mr. Hustle, out.
Right back in the cut like I told your ass. Give me the microphone and let me hit you with a blast. The shit that we be going through, and they know about the shit that I be putting up, and they be know about the shit I do when I'm